Inventory gives clear idea on the history status of each item. It helps for tracking stocks and spare parts. Click the Inventory button. The items are displayed based on the group and category that are selected. There is a filter option to show or hide zero stock items. There is a search box through which item can be filtered either based on description, part number, or code. To view the inventory details of a particular item from the lists, select the item and double-click on it. The details of that particular item is displayed. To view the inventory details of a particular category, select a category and double-click on it. All the items of that particular category is displayed along with its inventory details. The average unit price of an item is the unit price at which the item is last purchased. The stock of an item is divided as RIS and ROB. RIS is remain in stock and ROB means reserved on board. RIS items are the items that are available in the stock, and ROB items are the total number of items that are on board. To view the inventory history of an item, select that particular item and click the Details button. A history pop-up window is displayed which shows all the history details of that particular item based on date. The details of an item such as RIS, ROB, MRS, MLN, returnable, consumable, defective, transferred, etc. can be viewed. Thanks.